Tempur-Pedic retailer. This is an ABC 7 StormTRACK weather first alert.
Oh, look at that. We are giving you a live look outside. This is in West El Paso, right outside the KVIA studios. You can see those trees going back and forth. Blue skies out there, but on the east side of town, as I was driving into work, I couldn't see those blue skies because we have a lot of blowing dust and sand, and that is when my tissue and my allergy medication came in handy, because this past Wednesday I was out live, and that's mainly when your allergies or sinuses, if you suffer from that, started just going through the roof, and you haven't had much relief, and probably not for the next few days. Let's go ahead and focus on today, though. That cold front is what pushed through and kicked up our winds and dipped down our temperatures. If you look at our temperature trend, you can see exactly when we experienced that cold front. So 8 o'clock, we were in the 40s, as we should be, and then we slowly started to jump to the 50s, and then there you go. You can see the temperature drop right now. If you step outside, not only is it windy, it's pretty cool. 44 is our current wind gust here at the El Paso International Airport, 39 for Las Cruces, and you can see pretty much all across the region we are tracking those strong winds. If we take a walk across town, 47, your Presa Elementary School, Texas Tech Health Science Center at 47 miles per hour, and so far gusts have clocked in at 39 miles per hour near Fabens Elementary School. Winds will continue even overnight, with temperatures dipping down to the 40s. Mostly cloudy skies for Las Cruces. Windy conditions are going to continue overnight as well, with 32 the expected overnight low. Tomorrow, we're still going to be dealing with those winds and blowing dust and sand as well. I apologize. Don't get mad at me. It's Mother Nature, all right? 45 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts is what we're looking at for tomorrow. From 10 o'clock to 6 o'clock is when we can expect the strong wind gusts. But even before that time frame and after that time frame, we'll still have those winds in our forecast, just not quite as strong as what this peak wind gust is telling us. East, northeast out of town, you're really going to feel those strong winds and hazy conditions as far as blowing dust and sand. That will continue for tomorrow. Temperatures are going to be in the 60s for El Paso and Las Cruces as well, with 62 the expected high tomorrow. So gusts are going to be windy, and then we get somewhat of a break for Monday, only to see those winds back in the forecast for Tuesday. So I might leave that first alert in place at least up until Tuesday, we're going to continue to track those winds. As far as temperatures are concerned, we'll continue to track temperatures in the 60s for Sunday, 70s Monday and Tuesday, and then we'll dip down to the 60s for your Wednesday. Now, this cold front didn't bring any moisture with it. It just brought that blowing dust and sand and windy conditions. But you can always track how strong the winds are and our temperature trends by downloading the ABC 7 StormTRACK weather and traffic app. So put it all together, your 7-day forecast, proudly sponsored by Mattress Firm, shows temperatures are going to be in the 60s for your Sunday. Blowing dust and sand will continue tomorrow, so prepare. And then temperatures in the 70s. Then winds return for Tuesday and much calmer conditions for the end of the week. We have a look at sports after the break. Don't go anywhere.